Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Nick. Just a quick update as to, where I'm trying to go with the group. More than likely, probably in a couple of weeks, we're going to have more interviews for like realtors, mortgage brokers, lenders, different things like that, financial planners. Really trying to push this group into a direction of where, you can get probably the most value. I don't want it to be, just about credit, at least that void of what can you do with your credit. Which brings me into, my purchase of a cleaning franchise that I did a couple of days ago that I put into the group also. Really want to keep you guys updated on that journey, how I'm going to scale it up, how I'm going to hire employees, different way the business is structured, and different things like that. Also, we're just going to keep it moving forward, more information. I'm dropping a hell of a lot of more videos, so please, stay updated on that. Anybody who you think could get, value from this group, go ahead and add them. Friend, cousin, brother, sister. Trying to help out as many people as possible. I'm also working on getting at least 30 people, approved for a house in 2018, which I think 30 is a realistic number. Go ahead and, like, share, comment, and really, I just really want to keep you guys updated as to what's going on with the group, and really, give you something to look forward to. I don't want to be that generic Facebook group. I want it to be more of different opportunities that you can leverage along with credit. So stay tuned. I'll post a lot more stuff, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks.